guys, today we're at the St. Louis Zoo in St. Louis, Missouri, and we're going to check out some animals, see some critters, and maybe even get a behind the scenes look how animal habitat structures are made. Come with us.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Hello.
My name is Andrew, and welcome. This morning we're going to go up and see the Myron Glassberg Family Maintenance Center, and that is, like she said, where our facilities management division works out of. I've been here just coming up on 2 years, and so I'm still relatively new to the zoo. But I've seen, in my professional career, I've seen dozens of zoo maintenance shops. I'll be honest with you, I've never seen a nicer one. We got a great staff. Our entire facilities management division is made up of just over 100 employees. It's 9 different departments. We got electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, we got carpenters, painters, exhibit technicians, welders, we got horticulturists, we got equipment operators, we have housekeepers, and we got groundskeepers. And then we got me. So. Alright guys, so this is the start of our facilities management compound area. This is a non-public off-area site. So to the right is where we handle all of the waste and recycling collection for, again, 3+ million visitors a year. And we actually, our in-house ground staff, they sort all of our recycling ourselves. So it's a pretty, sometimes it might look a little trashy up here. This is kind of common, but again, if you can imagine how much waste and recycling a city of 3 million people produce, it's a lot, you know. And so to the left, this is our hay barn, where our animal nutrition center. Every single morning they come and they deliver hay out to all the separate barns out of this building. The smaller building on the right is actually our facilities offices. This is where I office out of. This building was originally built in 1957 and was the animal hospital. In about, I think it was 1993, that's when the new animal hospital on the other end was built, and this was remodeled for facility offices. The big building you see on the back, 2-story, this is the nice one I'm talking about. This is the Myron Glassberg Family Maintenance Center, and this is one where I said you won't find a nicer shop for a zoo. And so if you have any questions at all, feel free to stop and ask. The new addition. The brick over there was the automotive shop. That was a part of the original 1957 building, same as that building. This open door to the left right here, that's our employee uniform store. So any new employees coming up, this is one of their very first stops. You know. This is where kind of some of our trade departments, they work out of. This is just kind of their storage. We got electrical, maintenance.
It's probably all seen me. And when you're walking through the river's edge, you have all the feet prints that are in the sidewalk. This is how we make them. Most of these are made off of real footprints from real animals. But obviously they won't walk where we want the prints. This is a giraffe, this is a beaver. You know, we can stamp in the concrete wherever we want. Don't even know any of that. We do all this stuff in-house. I'm going back to Joe. Joe of the apes. We call him Joe. They come in here.
So they hired somebody for you to train it?
I got cold on the little monkey fabricate what we do, and it's not something that you can mess up either. So we're talking about, holding these for, be really careful because this will be hot. Yeah, you're talking about but no, these guys are really, really talented guys. So if you have any questions for them at all, welcome. You guys want to share?
What are you working on?
Well, this one's a mock-up for a big gorilla shift doors. So once we got them all figured out, it's time to figure out the mock-up.
The door behind you can see Jennifer's walking into right now. That is our technology services department, our IT department. And so, this is where our carpenters work at, and they don't just work with wood. I mean, they fix doors, they fix windows, they fix roofs. Here right now, but this in the wintertime, this will be jam-packed full of all those tropical plants. So it was a nice addition that we added on when we built this building. Sadly, it doesn't get used too much in the summertime because it's just for the winter holding it, but hopefully one day we'll have a new greenhouse and be able to kind of... So this is where we store a lot of our, material, golf carts, equipment. There's an example of a pier that our guys made. That's pretty cool. I mean, come on, how can you not think of it? I appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
They were shaking their tail feathers.
He's jumped in.
Like the penguins show? What does a penguin say? Beep, 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 beep. Do you want to go see the ones inside?
Pulling the string.
He's swinging.
Yeah, he's swinging.
Cool. He's swinging like me.
Look, Carol, look.
He's down.
Yeah.
So opening in 2021 is going to be the Primate Canopy Trails. Looks like a pretty big expansion on what already is a very big zoo. Lots of stuff coming up. Primate Canopy Trails will be a unique experience for visitors and our monkeys and lemurs. That sounds pretty neat. It's a pretty big area. A lot of the graphics look pretty interesting. Looks like the monkeys are kind of going all over on top and alongside you. That's pretty cool. Nice. It says, walk through the treetops and experience life in the canopies like our primates.
Super excited about this new area coming.
Yeah, it looks really neat. That is cool. And it kind of goes off around the corner there. It does look like a really cool expansion. Like I said, right next to the canopy house, supposed to be here in 2021. There's a big American alligator chilling, waiting by the water. I'd be in that water. It's kind of hot today. So how'd you guys like it today?
I liked it.
Cool. What'd you guys see?
Sea lions,
Gorillas.
orangutans,
And
birds.
don't forget Ginger. He's my favorite orangutan. And Ginger's my favorite animal here. Oh, and I see lions and tigers too.
Really?
What'd you guys think about the tour?
Liked it.
Really fun. It was neat to be able to see a lot of the stuff that they do behind the scenes that you really don't get a chance to ever look at. Make sure to follow us and subscribe for more updates on the 2021 Primate Canopy coming up. We'll try and keep you guys up to date on anything that comes up with it.
Bye.
What a shot.